You'll never throw away silica gel packets again. When you buy something new, it's usually packaged in a box, a jar, or a bag. And that packaging typically includes 1 or 2 silica gel packets. They are there to absorb moisture and keep your stuff dry. And what do you do with them? If you're like most people, you immediately toss them. But what if you could use them for something else? Well, you can. In this video, we show you some clever ways to put those silica gel packets to work around your house. So let's get right to it. Number 1. Save your phone from water damage. If you've ever dropped your phone in the toilet, or even just got it wet, you know how quickly water can ruin a device. When something like this happens, one of the best ways to keep your phone from getting damaged by water is by using silica gel packets. First, power it off and take out the battery, SIM card, and any SD cards. Then, put your device in an airtight container with a bunch of silica gel packets. Wait 2 days before putting everything back and turning on the device. It should be fine. Number 2. Keep your photos safe and free from moisture. Photos are extremely sensitive to moisture and humidity levels. They can even develop mold if not stored properly. And if you're a photographer or just have a lot of pictures, that's the last thing you want. To prevent your photos from getting damaged by high moisture levels or humidity in your home, add a few silica gel packets into their storage container. You can even throw some in your camera bag to help protect your equipment. Number 3. Prevent rust or tarnish on metal items. If you've got some tools that haven't seen any action lately, silverware that's been sitting around for a while, jewelry that's been tucked away, or any other metal items that need to be protected from rust or tarnish, you can use silica gel packets to do the trick. Just place a packet in your toolbox, cutlery case, jewelry box, or other places where you store metal items. It will help prevent corrosion by absorbing any moisture. Number 4. Keep your medicine dry and effective longer. In most homes, the medicine cabinet is located in the bathroom. And as we all know, bathrooms can get pretty humid from hot baths and showers. These little packets are great for keeping your medications dry and effective for longer. So always keep some in your medicine cabinet too. It's cheap insurance for expensive prescriptions. Number 5. Get rid of the musty smell from old books. You've surely experienced being greeted with the overpowering smell of musty paper when you opened an old book. Not so pleasant. When books smell like mold and mildew, it's hard not to want to chuck them out. But don't! Silica gel packets can help remove that musty smell from old books. Just place 1 or 2 inside an airtight plastic container with your book and seal it up for a few days. This will absorb all the moisture from the paper in the book and leave it smelling fresh as new. It will also neutralize any mold spores that might be lurking in there too. Number 6. Protect off-season clothing. Many people have a lot of seasonal clothing that they store away in boxes or bags until the weather is appropriate for wearing them again. But if you're not careful, these items can get ruined by excess moisture and humidity. To protect clothing that you only use during a specific time of the year, put some silica gel packets in each storage box or garment bag. You can even stuff a few inside your shoes, suitcases, and bags that are not being used regularly. This is a great way to store them worry-free. Number 7. Prevent detergents from clumping. Silica gel packets are a lifesaver, even in the laundry room. To prevent powdered detergents from clumping together, place a silica gel packet in the container with your detergent. It will keep the ingredients dry, so your detergent will be easy to scoop and always ready when needed. It's such a simple solution. It makes me wonder why so many people don't know about it yet. Number 8. Protect dry staples. If you're a person who buys in bulk, then you probably have a few items in your pantry that come in big bags. When you store these items, it's important to make sure they stay dry and don't get moldy or stale. To help with this, place silica gel packets in your cabinets or on pantry shelves. The packets will absorb any excess moisture in the air and keep it out of contact with your food. It's an easy way to extend the shelf life of rice, beans, pasta, spices, and other dry staples. And it'll save you money by keeping them from going bad. Number 9. Save an overwatered plant. You may be a pro at keeping your indoor plants alive, but have you ever made the mistake of adding too much water to one? Oh no! Fortunately, there's an easy solution that can help save your plants from drowning. Silica gel packets are handy for quickly drawing away excess water. Just place the plants out in the sun for a bit, with a few silica gel packets on top of the soil. Simple as that. Number 10. Keep your makeup dry. Makeup can get pretty expensive. You don't want to waste it, and you definitely don't want it to go bad. But what if you live in a warm climate, or are about to travel to an exotic place for vacation? No worries. Put one of these packets in your makeup bag. It will absorb any dampness in the air and prevent it from ruining your mascara, powdered products, and lipsticks. Number 11. Protect seeds when you store them. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, if you're planning to store seeds for the winter, you'll want to keep them dry and away from moisture. You don't want to get them moldy or rotting before you can use them in the spring. And since silica gel desiccants do such an excellent job absorbing excess moisture, it's a good idea to place a packet in each container of seeds as you store them, and they'll be ready when you are. Number 12. Keep your gym bag odor-free. Gym bags are the worst. They're full of dirty clothes, wet towels, and other smelly items that can't always be properly washed. Fortunately, there's a simple way to make them a bit less stinky: silica gel packets. Keeping a few of these in your gym bag will help keep moisture in check, so that you don't have to worry about mold and mildew forming in your shoes and clothes. Surely you agree that these little desiccants are a lot more useful than most people give them credit for. We hope this video inspired you to use your silica gel packets in all kinds of clever ways. Chances are you can find a use for every single packet. One thing to note is that silica gel packets can become saturated over time and lose their ability to absorb moisture, so they should be replaced as needed for maximum efficacy. Also, make sure to keep silica gel packets away from the reach of children and pets. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a post.